Ever bought a beautiful indoor plant only to watch it slowly wilt, drop leaves, or even die no matter how much you tried to care for it? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we're diving into 11 very common mistakes that are unknowingly killing your indoor plants. Whether you're a newbie plant parent or a seasoned collector, these tips could save your green buddies. Let's get growing. Let's start with the number one killer, overwatering. Most indoor plants don't like to sit in wet soil. Roots need oxygen, and constantly soggy soil suffocates them, leading to root rot. Instead of watering on a schedule, check the soil. Stick your finger an inch in if it feels dry. It's time to water. On the flip side, underwatering can dehydrate your plants. Signs include droopy leaves, browning tips, and soil pulling away from the pot's edge. Use a moisture meter if you're unsure. Consistent moderate watering is the key, not floods or droughts. Plants need light to photosynthesize and grow. If your plant is stretching, fading, or just sitting there doing nothing, it might be starving for light. Each plant has different light needs. Snake plants and ZZ plants tolerate low light, but fiddle leaf figs? Not so much. Move them closer to a bright window or consider grow lights. Some people think more sun, more growth, but direct sunlight can scorch many indoor plants. Brown, crispy leaf edges or bleached spots mean it's time to back off. East or north-facing windows are gentler. Sheer curtains can also help filter harsh light. We all love a pretty pot, but if it doesn't drain, it's a plant death trap. Excess water needs to escape. Always choose pots with drainage holes. If your favorite pot doesn't have one, use it as a decorative cover pot and keep the plant in a nursery pot inside. Using the wrong soil can suffocate roots. Cactus and succulents need well-draining soil. Orchids thrive in chunky bark mixes. Using all-purpose garden soil indoors? Not ideal, it's too dense. Use soil mixes suited to your specific plant's needs. Plants are sensitive to temperature changes. Keep them away from drafts, AC vents, or radiators. Most indoor plants prefer a range of 65°F to 75°F. Sudden changes can shock them, leading to leaf drop or stunted growth. Indoor air, especially in winter, can get super dry. Tropical plants like ferns, calatheas, and monsteras need humidity to thrive. Brown tips and crispy leaves are red flags. Group plants together, use a pebble tray, or invest in a humidifier. Yes, your plant needs a bath too. Dust blocks light absorption. Gently wipe leaves with a damp cloth every few weeks. You'll spot pests early this way. Spider mites, fungus gnats, and mealybugs can silently destroy your plant. Regularly inspect under leaves and stems. Use neem oil, insecticidal soap, or even a diluted alcohol wipe to keep pests at bay. Isolate new plants for a few days before introducing them to your plant family. Repotting too often or during winter can shock your plant. Spring is the best time when plants are actively growing. And don't go from a 4-inch pot to a 10-inch pot in one goit can cause root rot due to excess unused soil. Taking care of plants doesn't have to be stressful. Watch your plant, understand its behavior, and adjust your care routine. Most problems are fixable with just a few small changes. Which of these mistakes surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more plant care tips, and hit the bell so you never miss a leafy update. Happy growing, and may your plants thrive.